Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Christina Arizah binti Muhammad Sani, student ID 20197204A3. I would like to thank to the panel for taking some time to listen to my digitalized defense proposals presentation entitled Relationship between Sociocultural and Psychological Factors on Physical Activity Participations among Young Adults. This presentation will include some introductions to the topic, problem statement, research objective, and some literature review. I will discuss the methodological section in depth that will cover the research design, data collection protocol, sampling technique, instrumentations, and I will end the presentation with data analysis technique. Let's begin with the background of study. Background of study. Physical activity is a development of the body that produces skeletal muscles that require vitality expenditure. It incorporates different exercises which include body movement. For example, doing some recreational activity or playing sports. Frequent physical movement can deliver long-haul health advantage. However, physically inactive is a significant risk factor for many illnesses such as obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. In young adults, a sufficient physical activity participations can contribute to improve full range of public fitness and health well-being. But there is 81% of young adults who are insufficiently active and do not meet current physical activity guidelines. So, physical activity is a complex behavior that is affected by many internal and external factors, including socio-cultural factors and psychological factors that surround the individual. Social support from family and friends are an important predictor for physical activity level. Based on Prochaska, social supports can be in terms of instrumental, direct, emotional, and motivational or observation. So, instrumental supports refer to direct supports such as providing financial support, transportations, and leading sports equipment, and others. Motivational supports reflect aspects such as encouragements and praise to adolescents for their participations in physical activity. Based on Thompson, it says that as level of social support increase, physical activity level also increase. Specific efficacies refers to individual beliefs about one's capability to successfully engage in physical activity. Self-efficacy and enjoyment are critical components of psychological for exercise in young adults. Based on previous research, greater level of self-efficacy have been associated with increased physical activity to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Study indicates that fun or enjoyment is the most important self-reported reason for participating in youth sports. Enjoyment in physical activity is like a positive feeling, and believing physical activity is fun is an important in girls' physical activity. Based on previous research, the more a girl enjoys physical activity, the more likely she will engage in physical activity. Statement of problem. The explanation regarding the influence of the factors on behavior changes are crucial in designing intervention strategies and educational projects. However, there is a limited information is accessible regarding what constitutes these changes and pattern of determinants for population subgroup. There is a 81% decline in physical activity during adolescence with a further decline in early adulthood. With only limited information available, this will be difficult to developing effective plans and strategies to enhance physical activity in this population. Next, internationally, this topic has been used in numerous studies of many countries with different geographical environment. Yet, in Asian countries, this topic is fewer because of different culture. The result can be variable toward Asian countries. That is why this study is need to investigate. The factors will be used to study on a populations among Asian countries to prove either the result is significant with Asian population. Research objective. First, to identify the socio-cultural factors among young adults. second, to identify psychological factors among young adults. And last one, to determine the relationship between socio-cultural and psychological factors on physical activity participations among young adults. For the significance of the study, this study will benefit the younger adults that all the factors stated play an important role toward physical activity participations. It contributes to the improvements in physical activity participations for all generations. It also encourages people to be more engaging in physical activity. Indirectly will improve their health status, self-motivation, and emotional state. This will improve the participations of physical activity among society to become a healthy population. So, in this literature review, based on the previous study, males display a substantial higher level of physical activity compared to females. These two sexes with higher self-efficacy experience a greater benefit of physical activity and greater social encouragement. But peers' involvement was thought to have the greatest beneficial correlation with physical activity enjoyment. And in 2020 stated that in physical activity, male was more active than females. Female experienced a lack of physically active capacity than male to engage in physical activity level. And Coleman stated that peers influence physical activity engagement for this community. Adolescents with low expectation of competence are less likely to enjoy physical activity than their peers who hold higher expectation. If parents agree with the concepts of promote, provide incentive, and experience for their children, they will develop greater physical activity motivations. This study also stated that parents' socialization factors should be taken into account when developing successful intervention approach to improve adolescents' physical activity. So, for the methodology, the research design used the descriptive statistic and correlation research design. This research design had been chosen to align with the research objective. For the sampling, this research population is focused on the recreational people, and samples are taken at Hutan Rekreasi Aikaro, Taman Botanical Melaka. So, there is a 4,054 people will visit Hutan Rekreasi Melaka daily. Based on sample size table from KG and Morgan, 351 of the sample will be collected from the 4,054 populations of people, and will be added 20% of samples, and the total number of respondents will be 421 respondents. Okay, for the sampling technique, I use the non-probability sampling, which is the convenience sampling. These samples are not selected at random, but they are more involuntary themselves to participate in the study. This method is to select the participant based on their accessibility and convenience to the researcher. Okay, for the instrumentations, I used a questionnaire. So, a questionnaire was used to identify the demographic factors, the physical activity levels, and factors that associate with physical activity participation. First questionnaire is about the demographics factors. So, this is to get the detail of their participations in order to identify the status of a person, which is age, gender, race, educational levels, number of family members, and educations of parents. So, for the physical activity level were assessed using short form International Physical Activity Questionnaire, which is IPAQ. This questionnaire is consists of 7 items to estimate the time spent performing physical activity. And this questionnaire is high reliability, ranging from 0.66 to 0.88. For the socio-cultural factors, parental support were measured using an adapted version of a scale from MS Health and Activity Study. 5 items were assessed on a different aspect of parental support. Peer support was measured using an average version of the parental support scale. 2 items movements and took part in physical activity. And there is another additional 2 items were added to assess parents' involvement in physical activity. And the Crunchbus Alpha was computed for each skill to assess internal consistency with 0.7. And last one, for the psychological factors, this questionnaire is from Robert W. Malk, and for the perceived exercise, self-efficacy was assessed using modified self-efficacy questionnaire. So there is a 8-item scale were used. The reliability of Crunchbus Alpha is 0.78. For the enjoyment physical activity, it was assessed by using the modified physical activity enjoyment, which is PACES. And there is a 16 modified items were used. PACES internal consistency of Crunchbus Alpha is 0.906. The data collection procedure for this research is: first, I need to seeking the ethical approval, and second, ask the respondent permissions to gain their consents to participate in this study. Third is to briefly explain about the study to be conducted, and after explain, distribute the questionnaire to the respondent. And after respondents have been answers all the questions, collect back the questionnaire from the respondent, and last one, we will analyze the data. For the data analysis, IBM SPSS 25 will be used to analyze the data. The significance will be set as P less than 0.05 with alpha 0.05. First, to identify the socio-cultural factors among young adults were analyzed using descriptive statistics. Second, to identify the psychological factors among young adults were also analyzed using descriptive statistics. And last one, to determine the relationship between socio-cultural and psychological factors on physical activity participation among young adults were analyzed using inferential statistics, which is correlation test. This is the reference for this study.